Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss with you Chapter 2 of Class 6th Computer Languages. Computer language. You all know that to communicate with each other we need some language. So we can say that language is a mode of communication. Similarly, to communicate with the computer and give instruction to it, you need some language. Computer understands some special language which are called computer languages. A computer language is a special language understood by the computer. It is difficult for the human being to understand the computer language because it consists of set of words, symbols and codes that is used to write a computer program. A program is a set of instruction given to a computer to get a particular task done. In other words, we can say that a program is a set of rules which is given to the computer to do a task, how to do a task and what to do a task. The process of writing a program is called the programming, and the people who can write programs are called programmers. As you all familiar with, human can understand a variety of spoken languages like English, Hindi and Punjabi, whereas computer cannot understand these languages. Computer understand only one language, that is the machine language. Computer use machine language to do their jobs. This language use binary digits 0 and 1. I am giving you a one journal example of fan. When we are going to switch on the fan, when we switch on the button, press the button, then it is on 1, and when we are off the button it is on 0. Here 1 is recognized as on mode and 0 is recognized as off mode. Now we will discuss a categories of programming languages. There are number of programming languages available nowadays. Different type of languages are developed for specific computers, while others were developed for specific uses such as scientific or business applications. Programming languages are classified into two major categories: low-level languages and high-level languages. As you see in the diagram, computer languages are divided into two parts: high-level language and low-level language. And further, low-level language is divided into two parts. First is machine language, which is used in first generation language, and assembly language, which is used as second generation language. First, we will discuss about low-level languages. Low-level languages are written to run on a particular computer and cannot be easily used on other computer. As we can say that when we write a program in one computer in low-level language, we cannot run this program on another computer easily. Now we will discuss machine language, which is a part of low-level language. A machine language, also called a first generation language, is a language directly understood by a computer only without any translation. Computer do not need any type of translation to understand machine language. It refers to zeros and ones that a computer can understand as instructions. Due to this reason, it is also called low-level language. There are some limitations of machine language. I hope you are familiar with the meaning of limitation. The meaning of limitation is drawbacks. Machine language programs run only on the computer for which they have been developed. Example, they are machine dependent. I already explained it in low-level language example. If we create a program in a low-level language on one computer, we cannot run this program on another computer. And the second limitation of machine language program are not portable to other computers, that we cannot transfer one program to the another computer. Assembly language also called second generation language, and It is a low-level programming language, and assembly language uses letters and symbols instead of using numbers, zeros and ones. A program written in assembly language uses short sequence of letters called mnemonic codes, such as add for addition, CMP for comparison, LDA for loading and mul for multiply. I am giving you an example. If you want to do a sum of two digits, then you can easily write the ADD in the front of two digits, and computer easily understand that you want to add these two digits. Assembly language is the source program which must be translated into machine language before the computer can understand it. As you know that computer cannot understand the assembly language, it only understands machine language, so we have to translate the assembly language into a machine language with the help of assembler. Assembler is a program used to translate assembly language into machine language so that the computer can understand it. The diagram is given here, in which assembly language give input to the assembler, and then assembler translate it into a machine language. I hope you can easily understand the topic which we discussed today. Have a nice day.